You've been lied to about money. It's not what you earn. It's not what you save. And chasing more of it is keeping you poor. Money is energy. Its value is in its flow. Hoard it and inflation eats it. Most people collect drops. The wealthy build pipelines. 2 people, same $60,000 salary. Alex saves cash, lives frugally, stays stuck. Sam uses income to buy an asset, a duplex, and learn high-value skills. In 5 years, Sam's tenant pays his mortgage. Alex's savings are worth less. Different game. Your move? Pillar 2, allocation. Before you spend a dime, automatically divert fuel, even 5%, into an asset. A stock index fund. Of course, a side business. Make your money work before you do. Stop collecting drops. Start building pipes. Follow Cashify Logic for the rest of the system.